Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I want to go over this trade, not from last week but the week before. Last week we had this US 30 trade, but the week before we waited all week for this breakout, because as you can see the whole week was just sideways, sweeping highs, sweeping lows, this low, this high, this low, then we just been sweeping lows and highs. So I do not want to trade during these conditions. As I said before, you only want to take the clean setups, and you need to understand when to trade and when not to trade, because that's what will keep you profitable. You do not want to aim for like 50% per month, risking 1%. Obviously you can get 50% per month, but you gotta risk like 5 or 10%. That's reasonable. But if you're risking 1% and aiming for 50% per month return, that's impossible when it comes to long term. Okay, so with this strategy, only look for the best possible setup, because trading is not about risk to reward, it's about how much money you have to trade. Okay, so 5% on 1 million account is 50k, and this is very easy to hit every single month. 5% this year in 2025, every single month was profitable. Okay, so for example, if you had 1 million account and you've been trading this strategy, you've been in my Discord taking the same trades. If this was personal account and you would be risking 5 or 10% per trade, now we're talking the whole different numbers. So these are just some psychology tips. Okay, the whole week we've been waiting for the best possible setup, and it paid off completely. The first target was this high, but as I said in the videos before, I have trailing mechanism. Okay, so 15-minute candles not being broken. Okay, so 15-minute candle, this one, 15-minute candle, this one, 15-minute candle, this one, and then we broke below this candle. Okay, so this candle, I showed it in my previous videos how to do it. So if you're trading indices, gold, GBP, JPY, and overall volatile pairs, always try to trail the stop loss, because one good trade can pass your whole account if you're trading pairs that moves a lot. So for example, US 30, once we took out this high, so instead of 5 risk to reward, now you would have like 11, okay, which is game changer, honestly. Okay, so this trade was super simple. The main thing about this trade is just I was expecting the breakout the whole week, because if you look at this price action, something is going on. So I was expecting price to trap some type of sellers. Okay, we had this daily sweep. Okay, so this is daily high. On daily we have engulfing vector candles from lit. Okay, so if I go to daily, as you can see, we swept this high, then we have this engulfing. So a lot of people will look for sells. Okay, so after this engulfing, boom, entry point, sell above the high, and the next target will be probably this level, this support resistance level, or this break news level. I use it a bit differently. I was actually expecting buys from these levels, but I had to see some type of confirmation, and the confirmation was, let me show you. So let's go to 15-minute. We had this last sell-off, then we created this high, we swept the high, and if you watch the previous video, we had this black candle. Okay, so once I seen this black candle, by the way, I entered a bit differently, but I only teach my entry model in my Discord. So once this black candle was printed, we had scenario number 1, price is just gonna go higher from this level. But scenario number 2, we're gonna sweep this low and continue even higher. Okay, so first scenario, price going higher, beautiful. Second scenario, we sweep in this low, creating liquidity above this high, and now this will act as a fuel for this trade to go even higher. So once I see this type of movement, okay, so we got some type of low created, and instead of price just going higher, now we're gonna swap the low, create liquidity above this high, and then go higher. I'm gonna increase the take profit on this trade. Okay, so stop loss like this, and instead of target, for example, this high for like 1 to 5, now I understand that this is perfect time for me to trail the stop loss on a 15-minute. Okay, so instead of 5 risk to reward, now I have 11. So this was trade from not the last week, but the week before. Okay, so last week we had this one on a US 30. By the way, currently we have a new month, which is September, and September, October, November, and start of December are the best trading months. When it comes to last 2 months, so July, August, they've been summer months, and usually during summer, the price action is not the best. Okay, there is not much volatility, as you can see, for example, on this level, or if I go to like GM40 on a daily, as you can see, the price action is not the best. From July, we just been going sideways. So July, August, it's not the best, but the best possible months are all the months before July, August, and after July, August. So currently the next few months I'm expecting some type of breakout, and then the volatility will kick in and we can enjoy all these profits during September, October, November, and start of December. Once we're gonna have December, around like 15th of December, I'm not gonna trade anymore. There will be again like slow price action, New Year and stuff like that. Okay, so currently September, October, November, and start of December, make sure to enjoy these few months because these months are the best when it comes to overall price action, volatility, and all these things. Okay, so this was the trade from US 30. As you can see, super clean. So we have this breakout on a Friday. We've been waiting on this one the whole week. And once I saw that we sub this low, I knew that this one finna fly all the way to this high at minimum and then even higher. And last week also on a Friday we had this US 30. It was the same entry model as last week. Okay, so we had this one exactly the same as this one from this Friday. This one is not as good as the previous one when it comes to profit percentage. Okay, so this one was only 3, I think, yeah, but it was the same exact price action. Okay, so we had second model printed around this level, and then stop loss trailing, super simple. And that's it when it comes to US 30. We also caught the GM 40 breakout on a Friday. So if you got any questions, you can just DM me on Instagram or leave a comment below, and see you next time.